I'm doing it. I'm really doing it.
I can't believe it. You've been planning this for so long, and here it is.
Thank God. We're driving all the way to LA so I can live out my dream.
That is going to be awesome. You're an inspiration to me.
You know, I'm an inspiration to everyone. I'm going to be an inspiration to the world.
I believe it. I believe it. I could see your name on posters and banners and billboard signs all along the way to LA.
You're right. There's no failure. I can't fail. I'm going to be everywhere. I'm going to make it. I know I am.
You're flawless. You're absolutely
Totally
flawless.
Totally flawless.
There's not a single flaw. You are guaranteed perfection.
Thank you so much. You know, being a hand model is not easy.
You got the gift. Those hands are perfect.
You know, they are. They really are. Since birth. You know, my mom's been telling me they're perfect.
Your mom should know she's got perfect hands too.
Does she?
Oh, your mom's hands are perfect.